Returning true if a value is present in an enum, returning false if not. I apologize if I'm missing anything obvious. Is there a way to see if a value is in an enum which returns true if it is, false if not? For example, if I take the following enum from the Python documentation. Is there any way to do the following action, or an equivalent, without an exception being raised? I know that I can use try, except statements, but I'd prefer not to in this situation as I'd like to use this conditional with some others.
Enums have _members_dict that you can check. You can alternatively use a generalized approach with hasiter, but this returns wrong results for some non-members like _new_.
The simplest thing you can do is add try except block where except block will catch the key error. If the enums in question are yours, add a function to them. And in use. If you want to be able to do this with enums outside your control, extract the has_enum function above. And use that. Disclosure: I am the author of the Python stlib enum, the enum34 backport, and the advanced enumeration, enum, library.
GetIter with the default argument would probably be the easiest way. Gotten will be none, or whatever you put as the third argument to getIter, if it doesn't exist. Or, with column equals to make it a little more succinct. Adaput's suggestion of hasiter is likely more appropriate here in retrospect. I like getIter with a non-third argument because a lot of the time, if I'm checking if something has an attribute, I also want to use that attribute after the check. Use hasiter if you only care about whether or not it's there, but getIter is nice if you also want to use the value post lookup.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.